Hello folks, welcome to the JavaScript YouTube channel.
And in this video we are going to create our second project. So here you can see I am right now, so we will create this project. Here you can see an explore button. So this is a simple home page section. Here you can see a home, about, service, contact and FAQ. So here you can see a hover on our button. So right now I'm using VS Code. So first of all we have to open a folder here, and I'm just going to use my same folder as we use in the first project. So first of all I have to create a new folder here, like website design or whatever you want. If you want to change it, so you can change. Okay, we have to create a new file here, index.html, and okay, I made a mistake here. I think I have to make a new file here, index.html. Now we have to create a new file like style.css, so we can write our css in HTML. So fine, let me cut it, the older one. Okay, here you can see. Okay, fine. So we are going to repeat the same process, and let me zoom. Okay, here you have to change your document, your title, like website design, or you can you can also write it as website login design, or whatever you want. Okay, now we have to link rel style sheet. Okay, now after writing style sheet you have to write here, okay, href style.css, or the name of your css file. Okay, fine. Now we have to make some space here, and first of all we will create a div here, div.container, div.con, div.row. Okay, div.row, not container. We will write here row here, and then we will create a div.navbar or div.nav. Okay, now that's good. Okay, now we are going to create a ul here, or list here. So we will write ul. Okay, now li multiply by 3 or 5, whatever you want. So okay, we are going to add a anchor tag here. Okay, I made a mistake, I have to close it. Now fine, ahref, ahref equal to, and let me close this double quotation and close this. Okay, fine. So I have to write here like home, so I will just copy and paste this, so we can save a lot of time. Okay, I have to paste it. I made a mistake here, I have to copy this. Okay, let me cut it, and okay, I will paste it here, so we can save a lot of time, so we will learn in less time. So here you have to write your services like home, or your list names like home, about, or you can add services, fine, and you can also add like contact section and FAQs, fine. Okay, this is our list. Okay, now what we are going to, let me format this so it will look more pretty. Okay, it's looking good. Here you can see. Okay, now we are going to style in our CSS. So first of all we have to write body here. Body margin will be 0% or 0 pixels. Okay, now padding will be 0% or be, okay, not block. Here padding, simple padding, and 0% or 0 pixels, fine. We have to also add to change the background color. I just copied a color, and I'm just going to pasting it. You can use the same color if you want. Just pause the video and see the RGBA, and you have to write as it. Okay, you can use the same color. Okay, now let me remove the semicolon here. Okay, now fine, this is our body, and now we have to write here .nav. We have to write here, let me first of all let me show you the output. Here you can see our output. Okay, now we have to create this. Okay, first of all we have to write .nav here, let me make some space, nav. Okay, nav. Okay, not .nav, sorry. Okay, now we are going to write float left, not left, sorry. Here we have to write, okay, let me check first. No, it's not working. Float left will not work because we are already on the left side, so we will write float right. Okay, here you can write float, right? So here you can see it's working and it's now on the right side. So we have to make some changes in our css like .nav, and we have to write li, and we will make some change in li, like list style will be non, will list style non. Okay, now we are going to check. Okay, now our list style is known. Okay, now we have to write one more thing, that is .nav is our list. Okay, let me make it color white, and display will be display inline block here. Okay, I made a mistake here, I think. Okay, let me remove here. I just forgot to add a colon, and now inline block. Fine. So here you can see this is our output of nav a. Okay, now you can see. Okay, note I just added in the wrong place. Here you can see now it's working. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will write width here. Width will be 30 pixels. Okay, let me check. It's just very small. Let me add 100 pixels, so it will be pretty good as compared to 30 pixels. And I will also add a margin here. Margin will be margin from top. You can add 30 or 20 pixel, depend on you. Okay, let me show you first. Okay, here you can, so it's looking good. Okay, I have to also make a change here, so we will I will make it text decoration will be text decoration, and here we have to write text decoration where is, okay, none. Fine. So you can see the underline is finished from here. So this is the basic concept of list, and we have to also have to write font family or font size. If you want to add font size, so you can add. Okay, font size will be 20 pixels. Here you can see it's looking good. Okay, now you can also change the font family here. Font family like sans serif or whatever you want to add, right? Okay, now let me show you. Okay, here you can see it's looking good. Now let's go to our other part. Okay, we have to write make a div here, div dot high, or you can name it whatever you want. Okay, I will write a h1 tag here, h1. Okay, here we have to write learn HTML and CSS. Fine. So here you can see I added h1. Okay, now we are going to style our h1. Let me show you where is. Okay, our h1 is here. So let's write h1 here dot high. Okay, I think I made a mistake before this. Okay, dot high, and here we have to write. Okay, I think I made a mistake, and that is we don't have to we added in the div here, so we have to cut it and paste it here in the end, so it will be. So here you can see this is our div on the right side. I was just confused of this about this. Okay, now I am okay. Now position will be absolute. Now width will be width and 1200 pixels. 00 pixels. Fine. And margin from left and margin from top, margin from not left, right. We have to add here like margin from top will be 0 pixels, or also margin from left will be 0 pixels, so 0%. Okay, here you can see. Okay, now we have to write our h1 here. Margin will be margin from top will be 230 pixels or 250 pixels, whatever you want to write. Okay, it's depend on. Okay, right, text line center, so it will be in the center. Okay, now we have to make some change like its color, so we will make it white, so it will be automatically contrast with our website color. So you can also change the font family. Font family will be sans serif. Okay, here you can see now learn HTML and CSS. Okay, fine. Oh, here you have to make a here we have to write add a button here, a button, sorry, a button. So fine, and you have to write here like learn or whatever you want to write. Okay, we have to make this a note we have to write explore now, so fine. And now we have to write its CSS like button, and after this we have to change its color. Will, okay, first of all we will change its background color. The background color is, I think, the background color is white and color is black. Okay, the text color is black and the background color is white. Background color will be white and the text color will be text. Here I have to add a color, and here you have to write black. Fine. So here you can see, and I will also change its font size. Okay, and font family here sans serif, and the font size will be 30 pixels, or not adjust. Here we have to write 30 pixels or 20 pixels, it depends on you. Okay, here you can see its own. Okay, now we also have to make some changes in our button. So first of all we have to add a margin from top here, margin from top, margin and dash top. Okay, now we have to write 230 pixels or 270 pixels, let me check it out. And margin from left side, and it will be 450 pixels or 530 pixels. Look, okay, let me have 550 pixels. Okay, 500, no, 450 pixels will be okay, I think. Okay, let me check. Okay, well, it's almost on the right side. Okay, now we have to make some changes, and let me make it 300 pixels, 300 pixels, so it will be on the right place. Here you can see now it's looking good. Okay, now we have make some changes in the font size, will be 20 pixels. Okay, 25 pixels. Here you can see it's looking good. Okay, now we have to change here like border and border radius. Border, first of all we have to add 1 pixel solid white. Fine. Okay, now we have to add border radius. Border radius will be 30 pixels. Here will be 30, where is 3, here is 30 pixels. Okay, here you can see now it's working, our button is looking good. So here you can see, first I also have to make some change here. So here you can see, okay, let me make it more, let me 490. Okay, let me make it 510 or 515 pixel. I think 500, no, I think I have to make it 515 pixel, 515 pixels. Okay, let me remove 0 from here. Here you can see it's on the right place. Now it's looking good. Okay, now we have to make some change in the button. So we will add a hover in the button, so it will looking more beautiful, it will be more beautiful as compared to this. So first of all we have to add background color will be yellow, and right color will be black. Okay, now let me check it out. Okay, here you can see it's working. So guys, I may hope that you guys like this video. If you liked this video, so make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel